Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this episode, I will be guiding you through how to change currency on Squareup. Unfortunately, Squareup doesn't allow you to directly change the currency on an existing account, so in order to do that, you'll need to open up a new Squareup account. Go ahead and open a web browser and then type in squareup.com in the URL box to end up in the official site for Squareup. If you're already signed into your Squareup account, you cannot change the default currency of your Squareup account within the platform. So in order to do that, you'll need to open up a new Squareup account. So make sure you first sign out of your Squareup account that you are currently using. Once you're inside the main homepage of Squareup, click on your company name and then click on sign out to log out of your existing account. Click sign out once again to confirm signing out of the account, and then once you get to the main homepage, make sure that you're inside the sign in area again and make sure to choose sign up from the options. Once you click on sign up, go ahead and enter your email address that you'd like to sign up for Squareup with, and then create a password for your new Squareup account. Now select your country and your language from the list. Make sure to choose the country of your preference and choose the country that you'd like to change your currency for. Once you select the country from the list, your currency will also be selected for that particular country. Now, click on the Continue button and follow through the instructions till the end, and this will give you a separate account with the appropriate currency. You can also still access and manage your old accounts separately as well. So that is the only way you will be able to change currency on Squareup. All you need to do is to create a new account with the chosen currency of your preference. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.